Made some chicken swings for the chickens to swing, because that's what you do, right? Today I'm going to show you how we made some chicken swings for our chickens. This is a quick little easy project that will add a little bit of exercise and fun to their life. They like to swing on them, they like to roost on them, they like to run and get away from each other on them. So it gives you a little bit more room in your chicken run or your chicken coop, because now they can get up and not just run around. And it makes them feel safe when they can get up off the ground. So very simple to do, very inexpensive. You can use materials you just find around the yard for the most part, and it goes up very quick. So you'll enjoy this one. Alright, and up top I did the same thing, only I wrapped the chain around it because that's going to bear most of your weight. Alright, chicken swings are hung. May put more later, we'll see. Really it's just for the chickens to flap, stretch their wings, play, get a little exercise, jump. But it does have a little bit of a functional purpose, because the only thing that might be able to get into this pen would be a snake, which usually won't hurt a big chicken, but little ones it can. So it does give them the opportunity to get off the ground if they need to.